Keep it on the QT, unraveling the mystery. Hello and welcome to our English learning community. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might encounter in English conversations. Keep it on the QT. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the cultural nuances of the language. Let's dive in and decode the meaning and usage of this intriguing expression. Keep it on the QT is a phrase that means to keep something secret or not to disclose information to others. The letters Q and T in the phrase stand for quiet. This expression is often used when someone wants to convey information that should not be shared widely or discussed publicly. It's a way of asking for discretion and confidentiality. The phrase, keep it on the QT, originates from the 19th century. QT is a shorthand for quiet, which was used in telegraphy and early forms of texting. This abbreviation made its way into common vernacular, emphasizing the need for secrecy or silence about a matter. Understanding the origin of such phrases can give you a deeper appreciation of how the English language evolves and incorporates different elements from various communication forms. 1. As a request for secrecy. You can use this phrase when you share confidential information and want to make sure the other person understands the need for discretion. For example, I'm telling you this in confidence. Please keep it on the QT. 2. To acknowledge confidentiality. If someone shares information with you and you want to reassure them that you understand the need for secrecy, you can respond with, "Don't worry, I'll keep it on the QT." 3. In narratives, writers or speakers sometimes use this phrase to add a layer of intrigue or secrecy to their stories, indicating that the information is sensitive or should be handled discreetly. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, keep it on the QT. Now that you understand what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversations, you're one step closer to mastering the subtleties of the English language. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the cultural and historical nuances that give it color and depth. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to keep it on the QT when you need to. See you in the next video.